If you've forgotten your Zomato password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to gain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Zomato app or website. Launch the Zomato app on your mobile device or visit the Zomato website on your computer. Step 2. Go to the login page. On the app or website, navigate to the login page where you usually enter your credentials. Step 3. Click on Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page and click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Zomato account. This is necessary for receiving the password reset link or code. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email or SMS. Check your email or SMS for a message from Zomato containing a password reset link or code. Follow the instructions provided to create a new password. Once you've successfully reset your password, you can log into your Zomato account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zomato's customer support for assistance.